Pound futures trading lower for a second day, and today we're looking at the futures market down a little over 0.25% currently at the 1.27 level, coming off the intraday lows, which we realized in the last hour, but still lower on the day for a second session. Driving factors today, I think it's really all about the central bank activity that's occurred this week and anticipation of central bank activity next week. ECB cutting by 25 basis points early in the session today, widely expected, but it does appear that maybe the tone after the cut, and as far as the commentary, is a little more hawkish because we are seeing the euro rallying now after that announcement. Bank of Canada yesterday cutting by 50 basis points, and that was a bit of a surprise, and also the Swiss bank cutting as well this week. Now, next week, Bank of England will have its rate decision, and the expectations are they're going to stand where they currently are. I think it's 4.75. But at the same time, it does appear that some of the dynamics this week are influencing the expectations as far as the commentary coming out of that meeting next week, and maybe they'll be a little more dovish. That could be one of the factors contributing to the weakness today. Also, next week will be the Fed announcement, widely expected that the Fed will cut 25 basis points in that announcement next week. Now, looking at the general trends, before the selling pressure the last couple of days, the British pound was coming off a one-month closing high. So we are still at the top end of the range for the last month, but giving up a little ground here after some strength going in to these last couple sessions. And we look at the price action across the FX quadrant today. It's a mixed price action, really. We're seeing strength in the euro as well as Japanese yen, and we're also seeing Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, but we're seeing weakness in the British pound, but we're also seeing weakness in Canadian dollar. Again, the Canadian dollar trading at 4.5-year lows today, so we're seeing some heavy selling pressure over the last couple of weeks, particularly on the heels of that 50 basis point cut yesterday, as well as the Swiss franc under some pressure today. So again, mixed price action, but the British pound coming off those one-month closing highs to trade lower for a second day.